What is goody, dudes? Today, we have this suspension and steering module with an engine in the middle. And as you can see here, it's very compact. And from the back, it has this little knob which controls the steering. And you can connect that to a servo or something else and make this a remote-controlled module. And you can see from the back, we have this wire here, and you can connect that to a battery box and make the engine move like so. Maybe in a later video, I will turn this into a truck or rally car or something like that. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it like that. And I hope you liked this video. And if you liked it, then like the video, duh. And if you really liked it, then subscribe because I'm desperate. Bye.